building and debug challenges. The building process. To build this, let me explain. To build this, you're gonna need the parts stated in the part list, and I started with my 1K resistor, which is right here, my 1K resistor. Then I put the LED light, which is one leg in the 21 and the other one in the positive source. Then this resistor come across, and I put in the first one in the first leg, which is the positive side of the capacitor, is this one. That's the first leg is in the positive side, goes to the 1K resistor. Then the third leg of the transistor goes with the other two legs of the transistor, of the resistor and the capacitor. The third leg of the transistor goes with the one leg of the resistor and the capacitor. Then this is the trimmer, and the first leg of the resistor goes with the first leg of the trimmer, and the 10K resistor with that one goes over to the other side of the breadboard, and then the negative leg of the capacitor goes with the 10K resistor right there. So the negative leg of the capacitor goes with the 10K resistor, and the transistor is not connected with those two legs, it's by itself. And the second leg of this is in row, let me show you, in row 19 by itself. It goes across of the board, and it's not connected to the capacitor or the resistor, it's by itself. And then my first leg goes to the negative source. Negative source, first leg. And then this process right here is the same thing over. It's the same thing over here. Then my white cable is connected with the second leg of the right there. It's connected with the second leg, and this goes over to my capacitor in the negative one. And then the same thing with the yellow cable. The yellow cable connected with the middle leg goes over to the negative leg of my capacitor. It's connected with the middle leg of my transistor. That's the building process. And debug process is mostly making sure that every cable is connected correctly and where it's supposed to be, which by doing step by step how I explain it, it should be easy to make. And follow the step closely to make sure you don't blow one of the capacitor because it's polarity polarity sensitive. If it's the wrong way, it can explode. So troubleshooting, I did have few troubleshootings. The first one is my trimmers.